It's Armaiti. Go see Armaiti.
Hello.
Go see Armaiti. She's been vegan for almost a month now.
That's
How
great.
does she look?
She looks great. Her hair coat looks really healthy. It's a good body weight. Bright eyes. Shiny nose. Strong teeth.
I've been brushing her teeth too.
Oh, that's good. Listen to your heart. Nice strong heartbeat. No murmurs, so that's good. Sounds good. Belly is soft. And her pulses are strong and synchronous. So look at your temperature.
Good
Be
girl.
over soon. It's a quick
Yeah.
thermometer.
Good girl. Armaiti's gentle.
Temperature is normal.
Good girl.
0.8. Yeah, see, it wasn't that bad. So today we're going to give Evie her second DHPP, or distemper vaccine. And that'll be the second booster. She's going to need another booster in another 4 weeks from now, along with the rabies vaccine.
Okay.
So you got her head?
Yep. Okay. Good girl. Good girl, Evie. Good girl. Good girl.
All done.
Good girl.
Good
That
girl.
was easy. And then now that she's been doing pretty well with vegan dog food for about three or 4 weeks,
That's great.
is that enough time to really see if that's a good food for her? Like, how do I know if I need to change her diet at all, ever?
As long as she continues to thrive on it, I wouldn't see a need to change it. The only thing that would be a cause for concern is if she starts to scratch and chew herself a lot, especially if she's chewing her feet and leading to discoloration, inflammation, redness, that I would begin to consider the possibility of a food allergy going on. With those symptoms, it's not always food allergy, though. It could also be an environmental allergy. So before abruptly switching the diet, it's important to really consider all the circumstances and make an informed decision.
What about like supplements, like oils and probiotics and stuff? Are those okay to add it to in small doses to the food?
It's okay to do a little bit of that, but the supplements shouldn't really be needed if she's eating a complete diet. As far as the probiotics are concerned, if she were on antibiotics, then I would see an indication for it. But if she's not, then I don't see a need for it, because she should have healthy flora in her intestine already. But if she did develop either some kind of diarrhea or gastrointestinal problems or was on antibiotics, then I would see an indication potentially for the probiotics to be used.
In summary, you don't really need to be giving supplements.
I don't see a need for
Okay.
it. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Let's go see Armaiti. How does she look?
She looks good. Her skin looks nice. Belly feels nice and soft.
What does that mean?
No pain or evidence of obstruction or masses, which I wouldn't expect in such a young dog anyway, but it's just part of the exam. Nice strong femoral pulses. The pulses on the inside of the thigh. Sounds good. No murmurs. We're going to give her the rabies and distemper vaccines today.
Yep. Is that the end of her shots?
The end of the puppy series. Rabies vaccine. Gonna get rabies.
Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. Good girl. Good girl.
All
Good
done.
girl.
Just put a little bit in each nostril.
Good girl, Evie. Good girl. Good girl.
There we go. Delicious, wasn't it? So that was the kennel cough vaccine, Bordetella.
Now that she has all her puppy shots and the Bordetella, like what's the next step as far as a vet visit goes?
So the Bordetella should be boosted in 2 weeks, since she hasn't had it before today.
Mm-hmm.
And the rabies should be boosted in a year from now.
Okay.
The distemper parvo combination vaccine should be boosted in a year from now also.
Okay.
And she can be spayed hopefully before her 6 months.
Before 6 months?
Because, yeah, at that point she could go into heat, and then the risk for mammary cancer increases if she's spayed after her first heat cycle, because the estrogen stimulates. Even if you do it after 6 months, it's not bad. It's just that if she goes into heat, then she's also at risk for getting pregnant if a male dog comes around. Also, it eliminates the risk of pyometra, which is an infection of the uterus that can be life-threatening.
What do you think? Good girl, Evie. Such a good dog. Yes, you are. Okay, Evie. Are you ready? I just got a message from Armaiti who said, just finished Evie's spay, everything went fine. She's waking from anesthesia right now. How sweet. And that's great news. I dropped her off about 3 hours ago, so that was pretty fast.
She got some ace promazine, so she's kind of a little zonked out.
Oh, baby. Oh, Evie. Oh. How you feeling, Evie? There's your score. You're doing good though, right, baby? My good girl.